Thinking about selling on Amazon but don't know where to start? Or maybe you're already a seller looking for a competitive edge? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down what Helium 10 is and how it can help you scale your Amazon business. And stick around because I've got exclusive discount codes to help you save on Helium 10. Let's dive in. Helium 10 is an all-in-one software suite designed for Amazon sellers. It's packed with powerful tools to help you find profitable products, research keywords, optimize listings, manage inventory, and more. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced seller, Helium 10 makes selling on Amazon easier, smarter, and more profitable. Let's talk about what Helium 10 actually does. It provides essential tools to help you succeed, including product research, find high-demand, low-competition products with black box. Keyword research, discover top-ranking keywords using Cerebro and Magnet. Listing optimization, improve your listings with Scribbles and Frankenstein. PPC and advertising, manage and optimize your Amazon ads with Atomic. Profit and inventory tracking, get real-time insights into your sales, stock, and profits. Fraud and hijacker alerts, protect your listings from hijackers and unauthorized sellers. Helium 10 is like having an Amazon business coach at your fingertips. It saves time, boosts profits, and gives you an edge over the competition. And now, as promised, here's how you can save on Helium 10. Use Ruhana 10, get 10% off every month on Helium 10. Use Ruhana 20, get 20% off your first 6 months on Helium 10. Just click the link in the description and apply the code at checkout. So, if you're serious about growing your Amazon business, Helium 10 is the tool you need. Try it out using my special link below and don't forget to use the discount codes to save. See you in the next video.